Imagine standing in the dark of endless space, where every glimmering star tells a story of creation, mystery, and unimaginable vastness. But what if I told you that within this breathtaking cosmos lie phenomena so strange and terrifying that they challenge our understanding of reality itself? Prepare to have your mind expanded and your heart racing as we explore the most terrifying space anomalies ever discovered. By the end of this journey, you'll not only be captivated by the wonders of the universe, but you'll also confront the eerie and perplexing threads that weave through the fabric of space. From mysterious dark matter to cosmic connections that defy explanation, we're about to embark on a thrilling exploration of the unknown. Trust me, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Each revelation will pull you deeper into the enigmatic heart of the universe, sparking curiosity and wonder. So buckle up as we delve into the terrifying, the awe-inspiring, and the unfathomable corners of our cosmos. Let's start with something most of us have heard of, but may still find chilling: the black hole. You might be wondering, how can a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape be anything but a void? But that's precisely where the terror begins. Black holes are not merely cosmic vacuum cleaners, they are the remnants of massive stars that collapsed under their own weight, creating a gravitational pull so powerful that it distorts space and time. Imagine standing at the edge of one, feeling the invisible force pulling you towards it, knowing there's an end with no return. What happens to objects that cross the event horizon? Theories abound, from spaghettification, where you'd be stretched like pasta, to theories proposing your matter could be swallowed completely, trapped forever in the singularity. We're left with many questions and limited answers. Our universe hints at a subjective reality. Every black hole might warp the very notions of time we cling to, representing not just a physical anomaly but a philosophical one. They raise questions about existence that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Here's something you didn't expect. Scientists believe there could be supermassive black holes lurking in the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These behemoths can be millions or even billions of times heavier than our Sun. With such immense mass, the idea of even getting close is not just terrifying, it's unfathomably risky. But that's not the only spine-chilling aspect of black holes. There are also rogue black holes that wander through the cosmos, drifting alone, undetected. Can you imagine the horror of encountering one of these unseen terrors? Next up is a phenomenon that's just as perplexing: dark matter. You might be wondering, what's so terrifying about something we can't even see? Here's where it gets interesting and a little spooky. Dark matter is believed to make up about 27% of the universe, and yet, it remains entirely invisible to our instruments. We know it's there because of its gravitational effects on galaxies and clusters, yet its true nature is a mystery that keeps scientists up at night. Imagine a force unseen, shaping the very structure of our universe, guiding galaxies, and influencing cosmic evolution, and we're left largely in the dark about what it is. The terror lies not just in the unknown but in its potential to challenge our deepest beliefs about the universe. As if that isn't enough to quench your curiosity, did you know that there are regions in space known as gravity wells? These wells are where gravity pulls objects in so intensely that light cannot escape. It's as though the fabric of space-time has been warped to create a trap. The implications? Space itself can become a prison. This concept leads us to ponder, how many cosmic anomalies exist that challenge our current models of physics? What mysteries might yet be uncovered within these enigmatic regions? But hold on, let's delve deeper. Let's talk about pulsars, neutron stars emitting beams of electromagnetic radiation as they rotate. Here's something that might leave you speechless. These ultra-dense remnants of massive stars spin at incredible speeds, some whirling around their axis several hundred times per second. Imagine a lighthouse beacon, but instead of guiding ships, it emits deadly radiation across the cosmos. When observed, these beams flash like cosmic lighthouses, some even pulsating with frequencies that can be measured across vast distances. The relatively small size of these pulsars is shocking, They can fit a mass greater than that of our sun into an area no larger than a city. This incredibly exotic nature brings with it frightening possibilities. Could we be targeted by one of these pulsars? What happens if one of them were to emit a gamma-ray burst in our direction? Speaking of cosmic phenomena, let's turn our attention to gamma-ray bursts, GRBs. These are the most energetic explosions in the universe, releasing more energy in a few seconds than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. You might be wondering, how can something so destructive simply exist? A GRB occurs when massive stars implode and collapse into black holes or when neutron stars collide with one another. When they do, they unleash a torrent of gamma rays that can obliterate anything in sight. Imagine if Earth were caught in the crosshairs of one of these explosions. The consequences would be catastrophic. They could strip away our atmosphere and extinguish all life. The very thought of such a phenomenon should send chills down any spine. And yet, the universe is peppered with these volatile events, potentially pointing to a violent history of cosmic cataclysms. But the strangeness doesn't stop there. Consider the concept of cosmic inflation, the rapid expansion of the universe immediately following the Big Bang. It's difficult to comprehend how the universe sprang from a singularity into existence, expanding faster than the speed of light. Think about that. If space can expand faster than light, what other rules have we yet to discover about the universe? It leads us to wonder if there are other dimensions or realities existing parallel to our own. Surely, the thought of other dimensions raises even more questions. What lies beyond the veil of our visible universe? What unimaginable horrors or wonders await those brave enough to explore them? Now, let's take a moment to consider cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional topological defects in the fabric of space-time. These strings could be remnants from the early universe, left over as it cooled and expanded. They possess an immense mass and can warp space-time around them, creating gravitational anomalies. Just think about it, these strings could lurk unseen, quietly influencing the universe's structure, while potentially offering pathways to alternate realities or timelines. Is it terror, wonder, or both? This concept of an invisible framework of the cosmos, responsible for shaping our universe's evolution, is a fascinating and fearsome thought. And then we have the ever-captivating rogue planets. Imagine a planet, much like Earth, wandering alone through the depths of space with no star to call home. These planets drift through the vastness, disconnected from any solar system. What happens to these celestial bodies? How many of them exist, hidden in the unseen shadows of the cosmos? Some of these rogue planets may possess the potential to harbor life, while others may be entirely hostile. The vastness of space suddenly feels a little less safe, as we realize we share it with wanderers that could very well be our cosmic counterparts or our next existential threat. It's easy to romanticize the notion of finding another Earth-like planet in a distant galaxy, but what if we made contact with a rogue planet instead? If it were to pass close to our solar system, what impact would it have on Earth? Would it disrupt our orbits or wreak havoc on our climate? The idea of a solitary world bearing life, or perhaps death, wandering through the cosmos intensifies the existential dread clinging to our understanding of the universe. Let's not overlook cosmic voids, massive spaces in the universe that appear to contain very few galaxies or matter. You might be surprised to learn that these vast empty expanses actually make up about 80% of the known universe. They defy our expectations of cosmic density and structure. Often described as the dark side of the universe, these voids challenge our perceptions of matter and creation. The very concept of discovering a place so devoid of structure can create an unsettling sense of insignificance. Continuing this chilling exploration leads us to the enigma of dark energy. If dark matter is the fabric holding the universe together, dark energy is the mysterious force driving its expansion. It represents approximately 68% of the universe and is accelerating its expansion, a concept that many theorists find downright frightening. This expansion could lead to a big rip, a scenario in which galaxies, stars, planets, and ultimately atoms are torn apart. Can you imagine a universe disintegrating into nothingness? Dark energy lingers as an unsettling reminder that the very structure of our universe is at the mercy of a force we do not comprehend. This brings us to one of the most fascinating yet terrifying thoughts: the possibility of encountering a cosmic anomaly with the potential to obliterate everything we know. The universe is chaotic and rife with dangers, from unpredictable solar flares to massive supernova explosions. Each tick of the cosmic clock represents countless transformations within the universe, many leading to catastrophic outcomes. Have we, as a species, prepared adequately for what lies beyond our green and blue globe? As we traverse deeper into our exploration of terrifying space anomalies, we are inevitably confronted with the concept of fate, our personal, collective, and cosmic destinies intertwined with the universe's many enigmas. The profound realization that we are but a speck of dust in this vast expanse, shaped by cosmic events well beyond our control, gives rise to a blend of existential dread and awe. The mysteries that unfold before us are not only physical phenomena, they are also reflective of our fears, curiosities, and ultimate questions about existence. Join me in the second part of our exploration, where we will delve even deeper into the chilling phenomena lurking within the universe, each more confounding than the last. What comes next will elevate your understanding of the cosmos while challenging your wildest imaginations. Prepare for a continuation of mind-bending discoveries that are sure to provoke thought and wonder as we navigate through the terrifying frontiers of space. In this captivating exploration of terrifying space anomalies, we must now confront another cosmic oddity with profound implications for our understanding of reality, the phenomenon known as time dilation. You may have heard of Einstein's theory of relativity, but considering its applications in everyday life can be a mind-bending experience. Time doesn't tick at a constant rate across the universe, it bends and stretches depending on gravitational fields and velocities. Imagine, if you will, a twin scenario, one twin rocketing away in a spaceship traveling near the speed of light while the other remains on Earth. By the time the traveling twin returns, they will have aged far less than their sibling. This bizarre reality introduces the unnerving idea that time is not an absolute construct, rather, it's a fluid and manipulable entity. When faced with the vastness of space, time becomes an unsettling reminder of our own mortality and the strange ways in which the universe operates. What if we contemplate the existence of wormholes? These sophisticated theoretical constructs are thought to connect two separate points in space and time, acting as shortcuts through the cosmos. The allure of wormholes, miniature tunnels through space-time, presents tantalizing prospects for interstellar travel and the possibility of connecting with distant galaxies in the blink of an eye. But this encounter with cosmic shortcuts is fraught with peril. The idea remains grounded in mathematics rather than empirical evidence, leaving us questioning, would they even exist? More chillingly, if they do, what lies on the other side? The potential for alternate realities, catastrophic encounters, or even time travel hangs in the balance, leaving our moral, physical, and emotional constructs dangling in precarious uncertainty. Now, consider cosmic rays, high-energy particles that zipping through space at nearly the speed of light. They can originate from fraught sources, exploding supernovae, active galactic nuclei, or even remnants from the Big Bang. What makes this influx of radiation chilling is the undeniable fact that they can have dire consequences. When these cosmic rays collide with our atmosphere, they can produce secondary particles capable of reaching the surface of the Earth. The consequences of long-term exposure to high levels of cosmic radiation may disrupt our genetic material and pose risks such as cancer or other diseases. This realization brings forth a haunting question: are we constantly under assault from the universe? The majestic beauty of a shooting star transforms into the reminder of cosmic violence. Venturing deeper into the unknown, let's investigate the enigmatic nature of quasars. These incredibly bright and distant objects are believed to be powered by supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies, feeding on massive amounts of gas and dust. What's disconcerting about quasars is their raw energy output. They can emit 10 times the light of an entire galaxy, shining brightly over billions of light years. Quasars are a lighthouse of sorts, illuminating our perception of the early universe. Yet, can we truly fathom the violence inherent in their existence as they churn matter into radiant energy? They serve as a stark reminder of the chaotic heart of the universe, continually reminding us how fragile life is within the cosmic domain. As we traverse the realms of possibility, the concept of dark galaxies emerges, a notion that challenges our traditional understanding of galactic formation. These galaxies, thought to exist without significant visible matter, made primarily of dark matter, tease us with their alleged reality. They could indeed be abundant in the cosmos, existing in the shadowy depths of the universe, eluding our attempts to detect them. The idea alone is downright chilling. Entire swathes of the universe could harbor galaxies that are hidden from our very perception. Just think about how many potential life-bearing planets lie within the grasp of these invisible realms, waiting to be discovered. The realization that dark galaxies lurk in the universe's shadows underlines our limitation as explorers of the cosmos. And speaking of shadows, we cannot overlook astrophysical jets. These colossal streams of charged particles ejected at nearly the speed of light from the regions surrounding black holes and neutron stars are an awe-inspiring yet horrifying phenomenon. Astrophysical jets are some of the most energetic events in the universe, capable of extending for thousands of light years. Imagine a celestial cannon. The same forces that define a black hole's insatiable hunger are also responsible for producing streams of extraordinary velocity and intensity. The implications of such structures make us question, what states of matter exist in the extreme environments around black holes and neutron stars? How much more do we still not know about the forces at play in the universe? The concept of these jets emphasizing the cosmological chaos weaves a thread of unease through our understanding of even the stars themselves. As we contemplate our cosmic neighborhood, we must acknowledge the remnants of supernovae explosions, one of the most spectacular and violent events in the universe. The death throes of massive stars give rise to the creation of nebulae, enriching the cosmos with the material needed for new star systems and even life. However, the implications of such catastrophic detonations can send shivers down one's spine. What if a nearby star were to go supernova? The intense radiation and shockwave could pose existential risks to Earth, assuming we're close enough. How many stars in our vicinity hide their explosive potential? Imagining the unpredictability of such cataclysmic outcomes urges us to contemplate our existence within this volatile realm. At this juncture, we must also address gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects, notably during the merger of black holes or neutron stars. When these cosmic events occur, they release energy equal to the sum of stars shining over the entirety of the universe. Despite their ethereal nature, the mere concept of gravity being mutable and not an absolute reach instills a deep sense of insecurity. These waves can travel vast distances across the cosmos, echoing the violent dances of celestial bodies. As we harness technology and learn to detect gravitational waves, we become privy to moments of cosmic violence that would otherwise remain hidden. Are we ready to understand the truths the universe wants to reveal? Opening this new window to the universe, we lay ourselves bare to the chaos that constantly surrounds us. Now, let us shift our focus to the perplexing concept of the multiverse, a realm of endless possibilities questioning the very foundations of reality. If our universe operates on a singular set of natural laws, what does it mean that there may be an infinite number of other universes, each varying in their physical laws, histories, or even dimensions? The implications can both excite and terrify. Imagine encountering alternate versions of ourselves or civilizations infinitely more advanced and alien, or perhaps even hostile. What horrors await in these parallel cosmos? The very notion of being surrounded by unfathomable possibilities generates a profound sense of curiosity interwoven with existential dread. As we grapple with our own universe's complexities, the thought of myriad other realities lurks ominously, beckoning deeper exploration. Now let's confront a fear that strikes at the heart of our existence, the heat death of the universe. This concept proposes a future when all matter has decayed to its simplest forms, energies are evenly distributed, and stars cease to shine. The universe would become an entity devoid of activity, where life as we understand it, a mere flickering of consciousness, would also extinguish. What would that mean for the legacy of humanity, shimmering brightly in the vastness one moment and dissolving into the void the next? Contemplating such an erasure of existence evokes a profound sense of insignificance among the cosmic tapestry, leaving us to wonder if our lives carry meaning beyond this transient moment in time. As we reach the conclusion of this psychologically gripping exploration, we are inevitably reminded of our place within the universe. In all its terrifying beauty and astonishing phenomena, we are confronted with both awe and overwhelming insignificance, two sides of the same cosmic coin. As we peer into the abyss of dark galaxies, rogue planets, and gravitational waves, it becomes clear that our journey through this universe is a testament to humanity's indomitable spirit of curiosity. There's much we still do not understand about the cosmos, so many questions that linger unanswered, holding the potential for wonder and fear in equal measure. Perhaps it is that tension, the blend of terror and awe, that propels us forward into the unknown. Each new discovery ignites our desire to explore, unraveling the knots of existence while reminding us of our fragility in the face of cosmic enormity. By embracing the truths laid bare before us, we can find a sense of purpose in our quest for knowledge, an understanding that fuels our aspiration for a deeper connection to the universe. So, as we transition from our journey through fear and fascination, let us carry with us the knowledge that while the cosmos is indeed a realm of mind-bending anomalies, it is equally a cradle of life, potential, and mystery that deserves to be explored with open hearts and curious minds. The universe is waiting. What will we discover next? What immersive storylines will we unfold? The choice lies in our hands, and the terrifyingly beautiful cosmos remains an open canvas, ready to be painted by the brave explorers willing to traverse its vast expanse. Prepare yourself, the adventure is just beginning.